Rome, Georgia, 16th of July, 2024. We're right at the stadium. There are the lights to the stadium. 86 degrees, going to 86. 73 tonight. Humidity 67%. We're going to do a bike ride along the Oostenaula River, one of these trails up here. Using the red mini folding. I said to undo the folding, you unclip that and it folds. The steering or the handlebars, unclip this down here, it folds down. So it'll get quite compact. We have this Mi Chow mirror. It works very well. I think I will get one maybe that sticks up. You can see a little bit better on the side. But all in all, it works good. Okay, we're going to start off in gear 6, pedal assist 1. We have 96 miles. We haven't been that far. We've just adjusted the brakes, and so if you missed that video, catch it. We're gonna ride over here to the trail. I guess we can ride back there to start with. I guess that's part of a trail back there too. Let me see about getting the angle right. It's hard to get this angle right. And we're using the GoPro Black 10 again. Boy, we beat it up the other day. It wasn't working right. Literally took it and beat it on the ground, on the concrete. It wouldn't cut off. It wouldn't do right. And beat it pretty hard. And so it came on and started working. And I have had to do that before. Yes, as hard as I beat it on the concrete or whatever it was, a testament to its durability, at least. That little camper's been over there for a while. It may be abandoned. I don't know. I don't know what the story is on that. And it says no motor vehicles are allowed, but I have checked with some of the other trail folks. Rome could be different, Floyd County, but most of them allow an e-bike up to the whatever class it is, as long as it's not too powerful. This is 750 watt motor. And depending on how much you pedal and how much throttle assist you use and which gear you use and how much throttle you use, you can get 40 to 60 miles a charge. Didn't know that pond was there. Doesn't look like there's any access to it. Now the Oostenaula River is to our right over there. Just pedal along real easy. Pedal assist 1, 69 watts, gear 6. No throttle. Nice lake. That's not really a pond, that's a lake. I think I hear someone coming up behind me. I don't see them back there though. Now, why would they have that nice lake there and not have any access to it? Downstream, maybe if you were to follow it straight downstream, maybe half a mile, maybe a little over half a mile, the Oostenala converges with the Etowah, forming the Coosa. And the Oostenala is formed by at least two rivers, maybe three, but I know two, the Conasauga and the Coosawhattie. Let's go over and take a look at it. I don't see anybody coming back there. There's a path going down to it. It's all covered up in brush. Oostenala stays pretty muddy. Got pokeberries going to be coming along here before long. So we adjusted the brakes and raised the seat. We have made it a little bit more comfortable, and I have bought a larger seat and put on here versus that seat, that little bitty seat that came on it. It's like sitting on a on a broom handle. This little Mini is shorter, it has a shorter turning radius than most bikes. I still haven't gotten used to it. I mean, it had been a long time since I'd ridden a bicycle anyway, but till you get used to it, this thing will throw you. Well, I guess a bicycle will throw you anyway. But depending on how much you pedal or how fast, you know, your terrain, you can get up to about 25 miles an hour. I don't want to go that fast on it. About 8 to 10's, you know, as fast as I want to go on it. No throttle, just easy pedal, pedal assist 1. Let's go pedal assist 0, see what we get. That's not bad. Of course, we're going level or either slightly downhill. I don't guess it's downhill, but work our leg muscles a little bit. Get them heated up, burn off some calories. Sure would not be nice to see a nice corn snake or a milk snake, or even copperhead, rattlesnakes. Georgia Department of Natural Resources says there aren't any cottonmouths this far north, but if they're in Tennessee, why wouldn't they be here too? Okay, we went back to pedal assist 1. I say staying parallel with the Oostenala. lot of trash needs to be cleaned out over there. We're coming up on the historic site where there was a ferry. Native Americans had a house and stuff here and had a ferry. Coming down to that park. Let's turn this off, head back the other way, and we may do a different trail. Let's turn this off, head back the other way, and we may do a different trail.